Porsche 911 GT3 RS epitomizes the pinnacle of track-focused performance, showcasing Porsche's relentless pursuit of engineering excellence and driving thrills. Building upon the legendary lineage of the GT3 RS models, the 2016 iteration takes performance to new heights, with a host of enhancements and refinements. At the heart of the GT3 RS lies a naturally aspirated 4.0-litre flat-six engine, delivering an awe-inspiring 500 horsepower and 338 pound-feet of torque. This power plant is paired with a lightning-quick 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, allowing for seamless gear changes and lightning-fast acceleration. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.1 seconds and a top speed of over 193 miles per hour, the GT3 RS offers blistering performance that will leave drivers exhilarated.